Presentation 1, Rule of 3. Sometime you will need to make a speech, but maybe you've never really spoken before. To get started, you can use the Rule of 3. This works because the brain feels completeness when it has 3 different ideas. Listening to 3 conversations at once, it is much harder to handle 4. Or music harmony with 3 notes. Or most foods are predominated by 3 main flavors. Some purposely have fewer, like desserts may have only 2 or 1. To do this, you think about 3 things to say about a topic. The audience will start to feel the story is over by the 3rd item. Ready to try? Think of something good that happened. Now, are there 3 things about it? Maybe past, present, and future? For the past, tell an event that leads to the story. For the present, tell a story of the good thing. For the future, tell of the lasting effect of the good thing. And practice on your family once in a while. Hey, want to hear some stories? Try to remember the things that are successful. Family is your best audience. They're not easy. So when you are successful, you know you've accomplished a lot.